Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out, can you play Google Music on Google Home? Let's go. Open Google Home app. Settings. Music. Google Music is not here. Why? Because Google Music is an outdated app. Its replacement is YouTube Music. If you want to control music through an assistant, you need to connect a third-party application, YouTube Music, Spotify or other. But you can also stream music from your phone on your Google Home device. Choose your device. Cast my audio. Play music. The audio from your phone will be streamed to your Google Home device. What is conclusion? Use either a third-party service or stream music directly from your phone. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.